Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through map settings and features for the Roborock Saros 10. If you're interested in the Saros 10 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So first things first, we got to enter into the Saros 10 from the Roborock app. And from here, we have our main overview and screen with our map. And in the top right-hand corner, the middle icon is actually a map with a pencil. That's where we're going to see all of our map settings. So first tab is Edit Map. We have our Map 1 where we can back up, restore, or delete it. You'll notice opposite corner of the Map 1 towards the right-hand side in that area, there's a little map icon with a plus. We could select that. And then we could do quick mapping if we took it to another spot or location. That's how you're going to add multiple maps. Then below that, we have our no-go zone. So we can add invisible walls. Everything's drag and drop to reposition. And then the zone is going to be the square. So you can add multiples of those on your map as needed. Think of sometimes maybe temporary things like a Christmas tree skirt if you have decorations up. Maybe there's like a pile of shoes or some area that you just know vacuums always encounter trouble. Or maybe it's not even that. It's just an area that you don't want vacuumed or mopped, right? Maybe it's a sensitive rug, piece of whatever it may be. You can configure that right there. Then we have our Edit Room option, where we can merge, divide, rename, or remove rooms. So you can do all of that right there. Very simple and straightforward. So here's a look at merge. So you can select the two rooms to combine. Here's the divide. Select a room to divide. Here's the name. Select a room to name. And then here's a remove. Select removal area. So we could choose this particular area if we wanted to, right? And then we could remove that from our map, which is cool. Then we have Edit Furniture. That's the bottom left-hand corner. So this is just for you. If for some reason you want to add furniture to the map, you can do that. But it's not going to help the vacuum navigate or anything along those lines. There's no added benefit that we can see. It's just for your own liking. And then we have our Edit Surface option here. So you can adjust the floor type. So we can select the room and you can see the different options there. We can add carpet. You can choose to add carpeted areas. Thresholds, if you want to add a threshold, you can. Everything's drag and drop. And then under furniture, you can select that too. So a lot of stuff there that you're able to add or configure in the map as needed. So we've exhausted the Edit Map tab. Now let's select the Map Details option. We can choose a 2D or 3D viewing experience. And then we can toggle on or off the icons down at the bottom if we want those displayed on our map or not. Now we'll swipe down. We'll go back to the main screen. Top right-hand corner, the Settings gear icon. We're going to select that. And I want to show you, as we scroll towards the middle, Manage Maps takes us to this screen where we can toggle on or off multi-map saving. Here's the home layout, single or multi-level, smart recognition, depending on the environment, or manual selection each time if you want to pick the map. You have those options there. And then this is where we can manage all of our maps. And down at the very bottom, we can create another map if needed. And last but not least, down at the bottom on our main overview screen right here, we have a couple different tabs at the bottom, which are different cleaning options. And what I want to mention here is we can use our map to select different rooms to clean, or different zones to clean, and we can customize the cleaning in each of those zones. So very capable mapping features and performance with the Roborock Saros 10.